Welcome back to FuzeTox channel. In this video we will see another solution of the 4-key human readable duration format Kata. 92% of users gave a positive feedback. So instructions. Your task in order to complete this Kata is to write a function which formats the duration given as a number of seconds in a human-friendly way. The function must accept a non-negative integer. If it is 0, it just returns null, otherwise the duration is expressed as a combination of years, days, hours, minutes, and seconds. It is much easier to understand with an example. For second 62, your function should return 1 minute and 2 seconds, and for seconds 36, 62, your function should return 1 hour, 1 minute and 2 seconds. For the purpose of this Kata, a year is 365 days and a day is 24 hours. Note that spaces are important. So we have detailed rules. The resultant expression is made of components like 4 seconds, 1 year, etc. In general, positive integer and one of the valid units of time separated by a space. The unit of time is issued in plural if the integer is greater than 1. The components are separated by a comma and a space, except the last component, which is separated by and, just like it would be written in English. The most significant units of time will occur before a least significant one. Therefore, 1 second and 1 year is not current, but 1 year and 1 second is. Different components have different unit of times, so there is not repeated units like in 5 seconds and 1 second. A component will not appear at all if its value happens to be 0. Hence, 1 minute and 0 seconds is not valid, but it should be just 1 minute. A unit of time must be used as much as possible. Means that the function should not return 61 seconds but 1 minute and 1 second instead. Formally, the duration specified of a component must not be greater than any valid most significant unit of time. So we have my solution. Let's see that solution. So we have function format duration with argument seconds. We can remove braces. So we have a variable time, which is an object with 5 properties: year, day, hour, minute, seconds, with the values of the seconds for this date formats. For the day it will be 86,400, and for hour it's 3600. Minute it will be 60, second it will be 1, and a year will be a very long number of seconds. So we should have a new empty array res result. If seconds equal to 0, we should return null, and we have a cycle. For cycle, we have a variable key in time in our object. If seconds greater than time key, let new variable value. It should be equal. It should be mass dot for seconds divided by time with key property, and we should move this value to our result. That result dot push value should equal. We should check if value greater than 1. If value greater than 1, we should add key property plus s, and if it's less than 1, if that less than 1, we should add add nothing, and if that's less than 1, we should add s. So also we should add new variable. It's a variable, it's seconds that we don't use, where whenever we found our seconds is used. So if we have 3600 seconds, maybe 3662, we should know how many seconds left after we divided second by time. So we should return result array. If that length more than 1, we should join our properties, then replace unnecessary symbols, add end with space plus 1, and we should return result, the first result. If it's we should return, if that length more than 1, we should return concatenated array with join and replaced unnecessary symbols, or if not, we should return just first prop in our result in array. So let's test it. Let's attempt. So thanks for watching. Bye.